Wet cough. Wet cough, also called productive cough. You can feel excess of phlegm. A wet cough is often a sign of a bacterial or viral infection. Most causes won't require any treatment. Guys, coughing is your body's way of responding to an irritant in the respiratory system. Wet cough is mainly caused by the bacteria protracted bacterial bronchitis. Then here in this video, let's discuss with the symptoms, causes, diagnosis, treatment, some of the home remedies. Causes here, allergens, main cause. Okay, like particles in the air, pollen, dust. Next one is the gastroesophageal reflux disease, that is GERD. That is also a major cause. Post nasal drip, secretions from the nose that drain into the throat causing congestion and cough. Fourth cause is asthma and COPD. COPD will block the airflow and make it difficult to breathe. Next, if we discuss about the symptoms, cold and flu, mucus production, feeling tightness in the chest, shortness of breath, these are the common symptoms. Diagnosis, chest x-ray is preferable, lung functioning test and a spirometry to test the lung capacities. Treatment, antibiotics. Wet cough is mainly caused by the protracted bacterial bronchitis. Here amoxicillin, clavinic acid is given. Microlide antibiotics such as azithromycin, clarithromycin, erythromycin are given. These are method of choice to treat 2 times in a day for 5 days. Guys, with these some of the expectorants are used like ambroxol, terbutaline, guafamazine and menthol syrup. This combination you can take 10 ml 3 times in a day. With if a fever is there means you can take Febrex plus 2 times in a day. It contains chlorpheniramine, paracetamol, phenylphrine. Then if it caused by the GERD, then pantoprazole can be taken 1 tablet morning before food for 5 days. This is proton pump inhibitor. If cough is still productive, you need hospital admission for higher IV antibiotics. Guys, some of the home remedies. Okay, before going to allopathic medicines, you try this. Honey, 1 teaspoon showed good anti-cough agent, ginger tea and humidifier. Okay guys, so if you like our channel, subscribe Ledger Pharmacy. Thank you.